again, little job today. Just going to get the exhaust studs swapped over. So I've got two that are originally mild steel and two that are missing down the front of the motor. Let's show you those. So you got two up in here and two missing down here. So it should be a very quick, short, sweet job. Couple of nuts, lock them together, get those out, and I've got a nice set here ready to go on. So yeah, let's crack on and get that done. So yeah, got these two nuts locked together. And just very simply wind these out. I don't know if you can see this on the camera, but as this is winding out, it has got a slight buckle to it. And you can see that. Some abuse at some time, either been tightened off off centre or not run down square. Easy as that. Do the second one. That's the trouble with this build now, guys. We are down to small little remedial tests as I'm waiting for stuff to come in. So the wheels are currently with the tyre shop. They were short with the back tyre, so they've ordered that in for me, should be in next week. So I left both wheels with them, and I'm waiting on the machine shop to make up my new wheel spacers in order to get those wheels to, well, the Africa twin wheel to fit the front. And the Tiger wheel to suit the back. As the axle size is different, it's gone from a 22, I believe, down to 19. The 20mm spindle, like that. I've also ordered the new rear wheel bearings, which are yet to arrive. Same with the exhaust. So things could potentially slow down a little as we're waiting for all this stuff to turn up, but that's the nature of the beast, I'm afraid. Hoping to get one of the bikes on the road for Easter, so at least we can start getting out and see a bit of the country again. simply it, guys. Both sides, exhaust port studs fully replaced, which is exactly what we need. Still waiting on the exhaust to arrive, as I said earlier, amongst other things. So it's like, it is kind of a little bit frustrating. Everything's slowed right down. That's the nature of these sorts of builds. I think you make loads of progress, and a bit of a dip, and then in the end it all starts to come together again. So I think we're getting there, and I don't think it'll be too long before we can get this at least fired up and that sort of thing. So yeah, I want to thank you all for watching. Like and subscribe. Let me know what you think about the MG content being on here as well. That bowl's just started to roll. It went live this morning. I'm recording this on Sunday, and yeah, hopefully this will come together thick and fast. And like I say, we can get a bike on the road over Easter. I mean, the BSA is already on the road, but maybe the Thruxton or the Harley, then we can get out, see some of the country, and enjoy being back on two wheels. So for now, click like, subscribe, the little bell thing, and see you on the next one. Take it easy, guys.